In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed edit in Davinci Resolve. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes and you'll have the skills you need to edit quickly and efficiently using this powerful software. First things first, let's make sure you've got Davinci Resolve open on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available on the official Blackmagic Design website, and you'll find versions for both Windows and Mac. Once you've got it up and running, you'll be greeted by the Project Manager window. This is where it all begins. Now that we're in the Project Manager, you'll see a list of your existing projects, or in your case, maybe just a blank slate if this is your first time diving into the software. It's time to click on a project, either one you've started or to create a new one. If you are starting a new project, simply click the New Project button, give it a name, and then hit Create. But for the purpose of speed editing, let's jump into an existing project. Once it loads up, you'll be transported to the main workspace of Davinci Resolve. To really zoom through your edits, we're going to focus on the Cut page. This page in Davinci Resolve is like the quick editing hub, designed to help you make swift edits without getting lost in the complexity of the edit page. You'll find it at the top left of your screen, just a few icons over from the media pool. Click on the Cut page, and you'll notice that the interface is a bit different from other parts of the software. It's optimized for efficiency, presenting your media in a simpler format, allowing you to work faster. Now here's a neat trick. The cut page is great for when you're generally editing content that needs to meet a tight deadline. When you're here, you can alternate quickly between your timeline and your media pool, which houses all of your clips and assets. This dual timeline approach is a real time saver, as it allows you to see both your whole timeline and the detailed frame view simultaneously. Use this feature to quickly cut, trim, and fine-tune your footage. Next, let's get into actually making those edits. With your media readily accessible, click on it to preview, drag and drop directly into the timeline, and use the trim tool to snip away the parts you don't need. Remember, the faster you get comfortable with the keyboard shortcuts, the faster you'll be able to edit. Commands like I and O for setting in and out points, and B for the blade tool are indispensable for efficient editing. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you use the cut page, the more intuitive it will become. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different features as you go. With these strategies, you'll be cutting down on edit time and boosting your productivity in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Davinci Resolve.